Okay, here is how we submit offers. See, just like these are all the apps up top. So if we want to add a campaign, we do it here. We can enter seller leads from here or from here. And then here's offers. So we click on offers and we do an add new offer. And it takes us to this screen right here. So I did one with Shallowbrook. Actually, I'm going to cancel this one, and I'm just going to redo it. So add offer. Just start typing in the address, and bingo, there it is. So that's the related seller lead. And then I start typing in the address, and I pick that. I enter the name of the actual seller, and sometimes you won't have this information. We're not going to really be using the embedded offers in here. We can do that sometimes or start using that, but we don't necessarily have to. But just fill this information out the best you can. Some of it will not really make sense. We're going to use DocuSign. But what might not be a bad idea is somewhere in notes or something like that. I don't know if there's a notes field. Somewhere here we can link the actual somewhere here we can actually link the to the offer link in Dropbox. So there's the title company. Pretty straightforward. We don't have to add all this, stuff, but but like if you hit these things, it'll automatically do stuff. But we do want to mark if it's been accepted. And we do want to do an offer timestamp. That way it shows like what week we can track that. And then here in the campaigns, we want to make sure we have the right campaign for that particular lead. And I wish this should come over from the actual seller lead. I don't really know why, but I guess you might have to open seller lead to find that. And then we can add tags. Files. We can choose a file, and then we can upload the actual offer that we create and send over in DocuSign. So I'm going to save this offer and see what it. Okay, bingo. Yeah, it's been created. Now this offer, this was actually probably, back in like April. Let's see, probably around, this was like a month ago. Yeah. Okay, that's that.